Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today we will title guys how to fix talkback in Google phone device. Friends, you want to fix guys your talkback problems or how to fix talkback problem in Google phone device. Today friends we are going to talk about it. So guys, first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. Friends, and now let's see how to fix guys talkback problem in Google phone device and guys any Android phone. So first of all guys, one finger guys, you cannot operate guys your any Android and guys your Google phone guys. Use your two finger and guys operate your phone, means scroll it your screen guys. After scroll friends, you can see guys your phone setting guys. Click on phone setting, double tap guys, continue guys, double tap continue guys, double tap, double tap to activate setting. So guys, scroll it and you can see guys this type of setting. So guys, where is talkback setting guys, accessibility setting guys, we will have to on it. One tap and guys double tap here. First of all guys, let me decrease volume. So friends, you can see guys talkback setting. So guys, we will click on guys talkback setting, one tap and guys double tap continue. Friends, you can see talkback setting guys you want to fix. So friends, how to fix friends, you can see use this talkback setting. So friends, click on guys this talkback setting, tap here this icon and guys double tap here again. Friends, you can see stop talkback guys. Friends, yes, we want to fix. So guys, click on guys this stop and cancel. So friends, you want to cancel, so guys don't click on cancel guys, click on stop button and friends again guys double tap guys, we will. So friends, your talkback problem will fix. And friends, you can see one finger, two finger, three finger, we can use guys our phone without any talkback problem. So like that guys, we can fix guys talkback problem in Google phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your Google phone setting, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends.